passengers, welcome aboard. Any more free boards? Alright, A1 through 15, been a select, followed by 16 to 30, going to Newark. Here at the gate B26, welcome aboard. A1 through 30.
See ya.
Watch out.
Hi.
Are you guys pre-boarding still?
No, this is I'm A16. So it's like general boarding.
General boarding?
Work with us. Oh, okay, cool. That's a little better. I'll cut you some slack because not everybody is needed.
Absolutely.
Flight attendant serving us today on board. In the back, you have Rochelle at the cabin of...
Oh, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, from your flight deck. This is your Captain Max Power, along with your first officer. His name Justin Case. I'd like to welcome everybody aboard flight 3455 on our way to Newark. We're going to push back in a few minutes. First officer just found Newark on Google Earth, get a few directions. We'll be on our way. Flight time 1 hour and 25 minutes from takeoff to touchdown.
Oh yeah.
Latest weather in northern New Jersey right now, it's 72 degrees, clear skies, a little breeze out of the west at 10 miles an hour. Right now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the wonderful hospitality from 3 of the best flight attendants in the galaxy. You can welcome aboard.
So let's take off. We will serve you complimentary soft drinks, juice, water, coffee, tea, and for purchase beer, wine, and cocktails. For a complete list of our menu selections, refer to the white card in the seat back pocket. If you accidentally choose the blue card, that's everything that goes wrong. It generally is good advertising for wanting the white card. Just saying. We accept all major credit cards and valid coupons. So your valid coupons may have been issued to you for business select today. Those are only good today, so you can use it or lose it, hand it to a neighbor or a stranger. If your coupons mailed to you at home, do us a favor, make sure they're in your possession, or your wallets and credit cards. It's a short flight, you won't need to take your payment or your coupon at the time of ordering. Also, those coupons, the date on the bottom must be in the future. If there's no date or the date is past, you're still a winner of a lucky bookmark. They're no longer valid for your alcohol, so we keep fares low, profits high, and employees happy. This aircraft's Wi-Fi equipped allows you to access the internet and free live TV brought to you by our valued partners. For full functioning internet, it's $8, messaging's $2. That charge is good all day. We'll transfer to other aircrafts in flight, but it is per device and IP address. These hoses in our overweight window exit, you have some extra responsibilities in the highly unlikely event of an evacuation. We'll call upon you to help assist. If you feel like performing any of the functions listed on the card will cause you harm, you don't understand the functions, you don't want to function, you don't want to read the cards, you don't function on Sundays, or you just don't function, period, we're not going to judge y'all, we're going to move y'all. Scream out, raise your hand, she'll find you another seat someplace else. 2 lavatories located on board, one's in front, one's in back. Due to height security and strictly enforced regulation, you may not stand, follow line, congregate, or stretch in the forward part of the aircraft. If the lavatory is occupied and there's a passenger in there, there'll be a red light. If you come forward while that red light's on, we will reroute you back to your seat. There's no exception to that rule. Our Wi-Fi access is good anytime gate to gate. Once we close the boarding door, your devices will need to be in airplane mode or completely powered off. If you're working on a laptop computer or similarly sized device, now it's a great time to power down, say goodbye, and get the items stowed underneath the seat or the overhead compartments. Seat back pockets may not be storage locations for your laptop computers or hard-sided objects like water bottles. Once again, everybody's touching up quick, seatbelts fastened, and confirm our counts with ground personnel. We'll be on our way to Newark. If there's anything the three of us can do to make your flying experience any more enjoyable than it already has in the last 3 minutes, please don't hesitate to let us know as soon as you walk off at Newark. Welcome aboard. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if we can pretty please pretend to have your attention for just a few moments, we're going to point out safety features on board Boeing 737-700. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat under the buckle. To release it from the buckle, seatbelt need to be worn tight and low across those skinny little hips and worn anytime that you're seated, especially when the seatbelt sign is illuminated. Should you not like our jokes, comedy, or service, that's 100% completely your problem, and you got 6 ways out. We recommend that now on the ground: 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, 2 exit doors in the back, signs overhead, disco lighting on the floor will lead to all exits. Safety information cards illustrating everything that could go wrong is in the seat back pocket. Studies showed it's highly recommended you read it before you need it. Should we want to make tonight's flight even more enjoyable and I become a cruise director instead of a flight attendant, there's a light vest underneath your seat. Open the container, remove the pouch, take out the vest, place that vest over your head, wrap the black Gucci belt around your waist, buckling in front, and pull to tight. Once outside and only outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate, or do it the hard way and blow into the tube at your shoulders. If none of that works, guys, kick paddle, we'll be behind you with beer and peanuts. Because we don't trust you and we want to judge your fashion choices today, we're coming by to make sure your shoes and socks match. All your carrying items, personal problems, and personal opinions are pushed, crammed, and shoved completely and silently underneath the seat in front of you, leaving you no legroom, and your mouth's quiet. As a reminder, there's absolutely positively no smoking on board our love jets. This includes the lavatories. Tampering with, disabling, destroying, or manipulating smoke detecting systems is a crime. Please don't do that. We're not paid for your paperwork for your bad behavior. And we will see you in court in Oak City, and no, you don't fly there for free. If you can't wait hour and 25 minutes to get to Newark, we do have a smoking section that's on the left wing. We'll feature Gone with the Wind. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance. All 143 of you got to listen to me. Posted placards and our favorite crew members' instructions. This includes information around seatbelts and smoking. Just as a quick reminder, there are no seatbelts in our lavatories, and asking flight attendants if you can use the lavatory with seatbelt signs illuminated, you've answered your own question. And it's no. Oh, but wait, there's more. Should we lose cabin pressure, I can guarantee you the 3 of us would have called in sick today, but we are prepared with 4 designer buttercups that will magically appear from compartments overhead. If those drop down, step 1, stop screaming. Step 2, let go of your neighbor's leg. Step 3, grab the mass that's closest to you. Pull down firmly until the tubing is fully extended to start the flow of oxygen. Even though the bag may not inflate, you're still receiving wild turkey, peanut dust, salt, hopefully cocktailed in there, you got some oxygen. Continue looking crazy like your neighbor until otherwise told by a flight attendant you can take that off. Hey, give him a high five. You're alive, but you're looking crazy, but you made it. If you're traveling with any small children, any large children, anybody acting like a child, or somebody way too important to pay attention, probably with eyes closed or a phone in their face and headphones on, make sure that you help yourself before choosing the child or person with the most potential. I go for life insurance or who's choosing my nursing home. That's what all we have for the do's and don'ts. Basically, you do the do's, you don't do the don'ts. We all get along well. We appreciate those of you that paid attention. For those of you that didn't, you are on your own. time of the dig dawn does not mean the witch is dead. My ex's mother's still alive here in Chicago, but we're cleared for departure. Sit back, relax, enjoy your flight, or sit there, be tense for an hour and 25 minutes. Choice is yours. You already paid us, and guess what? We're gonna go anyway. We're also dimming the overhead cabin lights and hope you all fall asleep and want nothing. If you like additional reading light, hit the picture of the Harry light bulb. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining us here where we dropped it like it's hot here in Newark. The local time here is about 9 p.m. You're welcome, we're early. No one's gonna clap, we're early. Y'all be a tweet and Facebooking if we were late, you know it. I know y'all Newark folk. I need y'all to remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, seat backs and tray tables upright locked out, your carry-on items stowed till we're parked at the gate and the captain's turned off that seatbelt sign. Once the sign's off, use caution, opening overhead compartments, contents may have shifted. We all know shift happens. Please don't let that happen on you. That would make a bad evening. If you now use their cellular functions or your portable devices, let your loved ones know you made it here safe and early. You can check connecting flight information at southwest.com on the Southwest app. There's also monitors inside the terminal. Those of you transferring to other flights, your bags will transfer automatically. If you're making a connection here in Newark, I highly doubt you are, and if you are, it's probably another airline, so we really don't care at this point. We want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for joining us this evening. As we know you have many choices when you travel, we're so grateful and fortunate they're not as fun and you can't afford them anyway. We really hope that the next time your needs call for air travel, you remember that nobody loves you or your hard-earned money more than we do here at Southwest. Drive safe, be kind to one another, remember kindness is free, and enjoy your Labor Day. And support labor. Y'all won't out at the gate yet. Make sure your seatbelt's fastened.
I'm sorry, sir.
Airlines.